In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your designs on Canva. If you're a creative looking to monetize your skills, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Canva's marketplace. Canva allows users to sell their designs through the Canva Creators program. This is a great opportunity for graphic designers, illustrators, and anyone with a creative flair. First things first, create a Canva account. If you don't have one yet, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You can also choose to upgrade to Canva Pro for additional features. Now you can simply create a design. Use Canva's tools to create stunning graphics, templates, or illustrations. Remember to keep your target audience in mind. Make sure your designs are high quality and fit well within popular categories like social media posts, presentations, or printables. Once your designs are ready, now next step is to go to Canva Creators program and click on Apply Now. Fill out the application form with the details and submit your portfolio to showcase your best work. Once you're accepted, you'll have the option to set prices for your designs. Research similar designs to find competitive pricing and simply share your design. You can also use Canva's dashboard to monitor your sales and customer feedback. This will help you understand what works and what you might need to improve. And that's it. You now know how to sell your designs on Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.